Emergency anchors now. Ensure the chains are taut. Confirm deployment over the radio.
Steady on the winch. Bring it up slowly, watching that tension at the 50-meter mark.
Easy now, lift it slow. Watch the overhead clearance.
Copy that, Rashid. Bringing it up.
We start cutting at the red zones first, moving inward. Ensure all tanks are purged before entry.
Perfect timing. We needed those. Let's get these hooked up.
We cannot afford any shortcuts today. Stay focused and stay safe.
Lift on the main strut, easy now. Okay, set her down, clear the lines.
All cranes, take the tension. Initiate the lift on my mark. Steady as she goes.
All right, lower wheel away. Got it. Clear below.
Control, this is Omar. We have an unstable list on the main deck. I repeat, cease all operations and evacuate the hull now.
Hello. Hello.
The sheer size of this place is unbelievable.
All right, let's stick to the plan. Rashid, you're with me on the lower level.
All right, clear the zone below. She's about to drop.
Clear those remaining racks by the end of the shift. We need this deck empty.
Easy now. Keep it steady.
This patina is perfect. It tells a story of 40 years at sea.
Rashid, move your team to the engine room. Section 4 is ready for the torch.
Watch your head. It is tighter than the galley in here.
There you are, hidden under all that salt.
Another day, another few tons of history moved.
You find anything good today?
Tomorrow we start on the hull sections. Rest up, Noor.
That turbine didn't want to let go. but we won in the end.
It looks like new. Almost a shame to melt it down.
We are moving to the external hull today. Keep the safety lines tight. The tide is coming in.
Right here. Right here, Rashid. Follow this line exactly.
Oh, that is warm. From a wet Alana to something beautiful. It is starting to take shape. The curves are right.
Watch out below! She is coming loose!
Slow and steady. Bring it down near the stack.
That is a thick piece. Plenty of raw material for the base.
We are ahead of schedule on the external steel.
How is the art piece coming along? I am using the brass from the galley to create a heart for the steel.
Is that the same brass you were scrubbing yesterday? It looks like gold.
We break the old to make something new. Good work today, everyone.
That is enough for today. Rashid, help Noor cover her equipment before we head out.
We will keep it safe from the night air.
Every day it gets smaller, yet it never stops feeling enormous.
Rashid, finish the pipe sections in the hangar. Noor, the galley fixtures are yours today.
This one is really stuck. Come on, move.
The copper yield is higher than estimated. Good. The upper pipes are cleared, Omar, and the galley salvage is nearly packed.
This is high-grade steel. It will fetch a good price at the yard. The fire lines are all down. That was the last of the overheads. Watch the gap in the deck. Keep it straight. All set. Take it away. Rashid, get these weighed. Noor, pick the pieces you need before they are processed.
This will be the perfect curve for the crown. Just a little more off the edge. It needs to look seamless.
You really have a way with this junk, Noor. It doesn't look like scrap anymore.
Rashid, if you are done admiring the art, we have the copper cables to weigh. Over 500 kilos. This is our best haul this week. Good work, Rashid.
This will hold everything together. It's the anchor.
Everything is in order. Time to call it a day.
We'll tackle the lower deck conduits tomorrow. Rest up, you two.
Another day to peel back the layers. Good morning, Omar. Good morning, Omar. Ready for the lower conduits?
The way the light breaks through, it's like a cathedral.
Together now, on 3. 1, 2, 3!
Get back! Watch the ceiling! Is everyone okay? This old girl is still full of surprises.
Look at this. It was hidden all this time. It's beautiful.
Careful now. Let's finish this section before the heat gets too bad. Watch your step. There might be more loose panels up there. Good weight on this batch, Rashid. The copper yield is high today.
There's a name under here and a date. 40 years of history.
The engine room is next. Those turbines are heavy, so be smart with the pulleys.
This is where you belong. You're the soul of the ship.
Come on! Get away! He's making good time. The boy's got talent.